Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Danish Ali and this video about Earth's hydrosphere and water pollution. Earth hydrosphere. History of hydrosphere. There are several theories regarding the formation of the Earth's hydrosphere. This planet contains proportionally more surface water than comparable bodies in the inner solar system. Outgassing of water from the Earth's interior is not sufficient to explain the quantity of water. One hypothesis that has gained popularity among scientists is that the early Earth was subjected to a period of bombardment by comets and water-rich asteroids. Much of the water on the surface today is thought to have originated from the outer parts of the solar system, such as from objects that arrived from beyond Neptune. Ice ages. During the history of Earth, there have been a series of periods in which a significant portion of the hydrosphere was locked up in the form of glacial ice. It has even been hypothesized that during the Cryogenian period, this sea ice extended all the way to the executor sea snowball Earth. It is currently believed that four major ice ages have been taken place during our planet's history. The current ice age began about 4 multiplied 10 to power 7 years ago and gained in intensity during the Pleistocene. The most recent withdrawal of ice sheets occurred only 10,000 years ago. Other hydrosphere. A thick hydrosphere is thought to exist around the Javian moon, Europa. The outer layer of this hydrosphere is almost entirely frozen, but current models predict that there is an ocean up to 100 kilometers in depth underneath the ice. This ocean remains in a liquid form due to tidal flexing of the moon in its orbit around Jupiter. It has been suggested that another Gemini moon, Ganymede, may also possess a subsurface ocean. The ice covering, however, is expected to be thicker on Ganymede than on Europa. It includes all liquid and frozen surfaces waters, groundwater held in soil and rock, and atmospheric water vapor. Virtually all of these waters are in constant circulation waters through the hydraulic cycle. Although the components of the hydrosphere are undergoing continuous change of state and location, the total water budget remains in balance. The components of the hydrosphere have been seriously affected by the water polluting activities of modern society. Hydrosphere discontinuous layer of water or near the earth's surface. It includes all liquid and frozen surface waters, groundwater held in soil and rock, and atmospheric water vapor. The water cycle and water cycle. The abundance of water on Earth is a unique feature that distinguishes our blue planet from others in the solar system. Approximately 70.8% of the Earth is covered by water and only 29.2% is terra firma. The average depth of the Earth's ocean is 3,794 meter to 12,447 feet, more than 5 times the average height of the continents. The mass of the oceans is approximately 1.35 multiplied 10 to power 18 tons, or about 1 divided by 4,400 of the total mass of the earth. Water cycle. The water cycle or hydrologic cycle describes the methods of transport for water in the hydrosphere. This cycle includes water beneath the Earth's surface and in rocks, lithosphere, and water in plants and animals, biosphere. The water covering the surface of the plant in liquid and solid forms, and the water in the atmosphere in the form of water vapor, clouds, and precipitation. Movement of water within the hydrosphere is described by the hydrologic cycle. It is easy to see this motion in rivers and streams, but it is harder to tell that there is this motion in lakes and ponds. The characteristics of the ocean that affect its motion are its temperature and salinity. Cold water is denser than warm water, and salt water is denser than fresh water. The combination of the water's temperature and salinity determines whether it rises to the surface, sinks to the bottom, or stays at home intermediate depth. Hydrological cycle: insolation or energy in the form of heat and light from the sun provides the energy necessary to cause evaporation from all wet surfaces, including oceans, rivers, lakes, soil, and the leaves of plants. Water vapor is further released as transpiration from vegetation and from humans and other animals. Aquifer drawdown or overdrafting and the pumping of fossil water increases the total amount of water in the hydrosphere that is subject to transpiration and evaporation, thereby causing acceleration in water vapor and cloud cover, which are the primary absorbers of infrared radiation in the Earth's atmosphere. Adding water to the system has a forcing effect on the whole Earth system. An accurate estimate of which hydrological fact is yet to be quantified. I hope you would like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.